Hi, this is Kurt Bennick at ForConstructionPros.com. We're here with Kevin Flockhart, Inside Parts Sales at Truck Country. And can you tell us a little bit, you're part of the Elite Support Dealer Program. Can you tell us a little bit what that means in terms of part sales?
Certainly. Well, when we're an elite dealer, we are expected to raise the bar as far as being able to supply parts to our customers in a very timely fashion. You know, downtime is critical for our customers, and you know, we do stock a large amount of parts, and we have quite a few at our, we're able to get them if we don't have them in a very timely fashion. Out front here in our display area, we have a pretty wide variety of parts. You know, customers can come in, they see the parts, we have the part number, we have the pricing on the shelves, they bring them up here, they know what they're going to pay for the part, and you know, if we don't have it there, obviously they ask us, you know, do you have this, and we look it up and we find it for them.
Well, when a customer shows up at your dealership and he shows up at your counter, what percentage of the time are you going to have the part on hand, or do you expect to have the part on hand? And if you don't have the part on hand, how long does it take to get the part?
I would say probably 70% of the time we can fill our customer's request. If we don't have the part on hand, obviously we will look it up on our computers. We will take, first of all, what I normally do is I will look at our distributing warehouses. We have quite a few across the country. Our facing distributor is Des Moines, so we always start there because we have those parts overnight. We have them first thing in the morning for the customer. If the part has to be ordered from a different warehouse, we find out what warehouse, and we can determine at that time whether it needs to be on a critical order where we have it the following morning, or at the customer's discretion. If they're not in a huge hurry for the part, we'll put it on a just standard customer order. Sometimes it can take 3 to 5 days, but generally we will overnight it for the customer, and we will pick up a certain degree of the freight just to get it here so we can get the customer their parts, get them satisfied, get them on their way. We also have the ability, if it's not an OEM part, we can get them from other dealers in town. We have other truck dealers in town. We have Midwest Wheel, we have Sadler Powertrain. We have a wide variety of options as far as getting the parts to the customer.
What sets an Elite Support dealer apart from other dealerships when it comes to parts?
I would say probably our ability and our desire to get the part here as soon as we can.
So Kevin, it sounds like you definitely have a focus with the customer in mind of trying to get the parts availability and the parts into the customer's hands as they're needed.
Absolutely. I mean, and that's what Elite is all about. I mean, that's what sets us apart from other dealers.